Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open Facebook and go to your profile by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and you want to select the profile option to access your main profile page. Step 2. Look for the 3 dots menu button on your profile header, right next to the Follow button. Click this menu icon to reveal additional options for managing your profile settings and privacy controls. Step 3. Find and select the Settings and Privacy option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can adjust who sees your content and personal information on Facebook. Step 4. Locate the Privacy Settings tab and change your audience settings from public to friends only. This ensures that only people you've accepted as friends can view your posts, photos, and other profile content. Step 5. Review your timeline and tagging settings to decide who can post on your timeline and tag you in photos or posts. You can restrict this to friends only as well for maximum privacy and control over what appears on your profile.